Welcome to the Express Legal Funding channel. Today, we'll be discussing how long it can take to receive a settlement check after an accident and what factors might affect the timeline. How long until you get your accident settlement check? The Wait explained. Dealing with an accident is stressful enough. Wondering when you'll receive your settlement check only adds to the anxiety. Let's break down the typical timeline and factors involved, offering clarity and support during this challenging time. The journey to receiving your settlement check isn't always a straight line. It involves several key stages, each with its own potential duration. Knowing these steps can help you better anticipate the timeline. First, you'll need to complete medical treatment and gather all necessary documentation. This includes medical records, bills, and proof of lost wages. This information is crucial for building a strong case. Several factors can significantly impact how long it takes to receive your settlement. These can range from the complexity of the case to the other party's willingness to negotiate. Understanding these factors can help manage your expectations. The severity of your injuries plays a major role. More complex injuries often require more extensive treatment and documentation, extending the timeline. The clarity of fault in the accident also matters. If fault is disputed, the negotiation process can take longer. Insurance companies may be hesitant to settle quickly if liability is unclear. The other party's insurance coverage limits can also be a factor. Once your attorney has gathered all the necessary information, they will begin negotiations with the insurance company. This process involves presenting your case and demanding fair compensation for your injuries and losses. Negotiations can be a back-and-forth process. Your attorney will work to counter any low offers and advocate for your best interests. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiation, a lawsuit may be necessary. Filing a lawsuit can significantly extend the timeline, but it may be necessary to achieve a fair outcome. Litigation involves several stages, including discovery, depositions, and potentially a trial. Once a settlement is reached, either through negotiation or a court decision, there are still a few steps before you receive your check. The insurance company will typically require you to sign a release form. This form releases them from any further liability related to the accident. Once the release is signed and returned, the insurance company will issue the settlement check. The check will typically be sent to your attorney, who will then deduct any agreed-upon fees and expenses. You will then receive the remaining balance. While every case is unique, there are some general timeframes you can expect. Simple cases might settle within a few months. More complex cases, especially those involving litigation, can take a year or more. It's important to remember that these are just estimates. Your attorney can provide a more accurate timeline based on the specific details of your case. Open communication with your legal team is key. Ready to understand your options and get the compensation you deserve? Contact a professional to help you navigate the legal process and fight for your rights. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps others discover our content. For more information about receiving a settlement check after an accident and other legal topics, be sure to visit expresslegalfunding.com.